Hello everyone, welcome to Veranda race. Today we are going to see the multiplication tricks for the numbers that is less than 100. Okay, so here we will consider 100 as a base. So next we need to subtract these two numbers from 100. That is 91 minus 100 will become minus 9 and 97 minus 100 is minus 3. Next what we have to do means we need to multiply these two. Minus 9 into minus 3 will become 27. Next what we have to do means either we can subtract 91 minus 3, you will get 88 as the answer, or else you can subtract 97 minus 9. You will get the same answer only. Either you can do 91 minus 3 or you can do 97 minus 9. Okay. So next for this one, 100 minus 93 is minus 7, 98 minus 100 is minus 2. If we multiply these two means we will get 14. Next one, 93 minus 2 is 91. So 9114 is our answer. Comment your answer for the third question.